Welcome. If you want to create folders on the home screen in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 5G, and at first you have to find few icons. For example, I'm going to organize these 4 icons. So we have to click, hold, and then drag application for another one, and after that just release. When you make it, the folder will be open. You can change quickly name of the folder. Click done to confirm. When you tap on this icon, you can change color of your folder. Click on the X to turn it off, and when you tap here, you can quickly add other apps. And then click done. Click outside to go back. We can move that folder like any other icon for the screen, for the different screens. And as you can see, it's very simple. To remove it, just click here. And you will find all of these apps in the draw menu. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.